Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on it. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Just did a weekly screen share with the entire trading group, so we got down to brass tacks, talked about what's happening, but we'll do it with you right now and start again here on this beautiful Saturday morning. Shout out to everybody here in crypto land. We love you, we appreciate you, and we care about your learning and your education. We want to see you get an amazing education and change your life. That's why we're here every single day, drinking that lemon water, getting hydrated. I want to say a big thank you to 66,000 subscribers, on our way to 70,000 subscribers and counting. Absolutely wonderful, absolutely beautiful. I am just so blessed to be here with each and every one of you. God bless each and every one of us. And thank you so much for your time. Gratitude is the attitude towards abundance, and I'm continually going towards that abundance, man. Is it? Hold on, let's see here. VPN, we're good now. We're good. We'll jump back in here. No VPN. I turned the VPN off. All right. And I'll be back. Okay, let's start again. Ready? Shout out to everybody here. Let's jump on into that intro. Let's get it started. Let's do this again. Okay, we're back here. We're going to break it down. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for being here. In and out, we're going to make a nice, beautiful live stream here, and we're going to get it done. We are back off that VPN. Everything should be lovely. Let's get into the live stream. Okay, so Bitcoin was just in a little bitty, itty-bitty flag here on the 7-minute time frame. We wanted to see a pump. We got it. Well, it came back down lackluster style, but it stayed above the 200 SMA. If we lose this 200, we are going to dump. It's going to be more like a double top kind of Bart Simpson pattern. We're going to dump through this VRVP to here, 55,000, and then possibly down to 54,000. The 4 hour doesn't look good, I'll tell you that. So the small time frames have to pull off a miracle here and able for us to kind of continue to the upside. We needed the 7-minute to stay above the 200 SMA. That's what you're looking for. If you're a bull, for continuation to the upside, you need to see this 4 hour get pinned and just continue to pump. And you really want to see this the 30-minute close this gap to the 200 SMA. I've seen this many times when the moving averages get tight. The 50 crosses the 80 and the 100. We get a pump up to the yellow line here, which also coincides with previous resistance at 58,600. You want to look at BOOKMAP and see what BOOKMAP suggests, and does it have the same liquidity ideas? Do we have, the API liquidity for us? And we do have enough all the way up to 58,000, suggesting that this story that I'm putting together may be a real one. And we may actually get a pump all the way up to 58,500. So I'd be looking for a move somehow to 58,500 into tonight, into tomorrow. I really would. That's kind of on the cards here for Bitcoin after this beautiful bounce, a little bit of bullish div. And we did break above this resistance here, used it as support. Now we're going for our next resistance as support. Bounce, resistance. Can we flip this and get a move to the upside? Can we flip the 200 SMA and continue further to the upside? That's one thing that I'm looking at here on BTC. All right, so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin, and I'm sticking to it. 56,800, looking for a move up to 58,480, 58,500 for Bitcoin. Now again, if the 7-minute decides it's going to lose the 200, this stream is over. We will drop to here as a double bottom, and if we lose that key level, I see a major drop down to 54,000. Right now, the odds are in our favor. We'll stay to the upside because we're above a 200 SMA here on the 7-minute time frame. We did get a pump and a dump, but let's see where this goes. We can just kind of connect that as such and say, hey, we hit resistance one more time. Once we break through 57,000, it's 57.6, 58.42, and the bigger target could take us all the way to 59,000 696. So altcoins getting a bit of a bounce too. It isn't all bad on this morning. If you take a look at what's happening on the general markets. All right, we'll take a look here at crypto bubbles. And you can see Core up 60%, Jasmine bouncing, SHIB bouncing, Pepe, ZK, Sync, Matic, Atom, AKT the bigger winner, TIA, and AKT really Akash Network showing strength. Also, remember I told you I was accumulating this anywhere between 5 and 7 cents. It dipped, but it came right back up. This thing doesn't really want to go lower than 6 cents. It's been awesome. ATH Ethereum really showing somewhat of a bottom here for ATH. The GPU, enterprise GPU, really willing to change the world. I jumped on in and decided it was definitely willing to add to my portfolio in this last bearish time here. So, Ether, all right. Fast token continues to pump out. I don't know what's going on with that. Miracle Pay, Horizon, just things. Rollbit back on the radar, still bullish. Things to think about. Follow me at CryptoLifer33 on Twitter. I'd greatly appreciate it. Help me break this $28,000 level here. We got to push through. I did, things I want to talk about today is Steve will do it. I've watched Steve will do it for a while. I watched his rise to fame. He continues to pump. No matter what happens, he continues to go and defy the odds. He's coming out with a coin. It's probably going to be, he did come up with a coin. It's called Hero. Very simple. You go to his actual thing. You hit the deck screener. You can find the actual coin. I didn't want to chase it when it pumped. I saw it pumping, so I waited for it to dump pretty hard. And once it dumped hard and it got to this lower level, it made a circle. And again, it could even dump even more. We don't know. It could turn to zero. You never know. It could end up being rug pulls. We don't know. You know what I mean? But I'm speculating that Steve will do it. Won't go down in a blaze of glory, in a blaze of flames, but more in a blaze of glory. And he's going to want to show this coin to pump. So anyway, he put his name and his face on it. See right there, Hero. But we'll see what happens. All right. Daddy also getting a bounce as the Tate brothers getting released from their, Romanian prison, really being able to leave and go around to different places in Europe. And, this coin, the Daddy coin, it did bottom pretty nicely, but I pulled a Fibonacci, Alt F here on, and you pull from wick to wick and you get a bounce off the 786 fib right here. And then it continued to move up about 200% gains. And now it's kind of sideways. If the Tate brothers continue to gain steam and momentum, I don't see how this coin doesn't move. So I'm just thinking about, speculative memes on Solana, and it's Daddy and Hero. Those are the only two coins I'd really be interested in. And they have the backing to probably pump them to the upside, but you never know. It could also go to zero. I only put what I'm willing to lose, and I'm not a financial advisor. So there's things I just wanted to talk about. They're probably going to be the buzz too for the next few weeks. So you're already here to hear first, and you're on it with what's kind of going down. All right. So yeah, not much to talk about Bitcoin. We want to see it stay inside this tight triangle. A breakout and a retest of 57,100 would be amazing. And tight moving averages show signs of love to the upside. So I like what I'm seeing here for Bitcoin. 59,682 for BTC. And can we get to 58,005? There's liquidity up here. Suggests that we may. And that's kind of what I'm talking about. So I'm sitting for a long as long as we stay above the POC and the 200. So I played the long. We'll see. Just be careful. Don't chew up your profits from the week on the weekend. Low volume trading. All right, everybody. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick update. Get back to your family. Get back to hanging out on this beautiful July 4th. And we'll see you on another time. All right. It's a top when creators are making coins. Yeah. You know what it is Bitcoin's they're taking so long to upload. I'm uploading a video at the same time. I guess I'll never do that again. I'm uploading the weekly screen share at the same time that I'm live, and I think it's having a problem. My internet upload speed is absolutely horrible. That's the one thing that at Comcast, man, you guys charge me more and your internet's just really not the best. But anyway, you can see what I'm talking about. I think you guys got an idea, whether it lagged or not. I think you guys got an idea of what I'm saying, and I'm pretty sure you can see what's going on. All right. So I love you. I appreciate you, and I'll see you tonight. There'll be no lag. I promise you. God bless you all. I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m.